Have you ever wondered how we actually know what we know? What if the answers to life's biggest questions aren't out in the world, but already within us, waiting to be uncovered? Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of rationalism. Imagine a world where every answer, every truth, can be uncovered through thought alone. That's the central idea of rationalism, a philosophical perspective that believes that reason, not experience, is the ultimate path to knowledge. In rationalism, philosophers argue that some knowledge is innate. It means we're born with certain truths, as if they're hardwired into our minds. Instead of needing experiments or life experiences, a rationalist says, think hard enough and you'll find the answers within yourself. Pretty mind-bending, right? Now, let's meet some of the big thinkers who pushed rationalism to new heights: René Descartes, Baruch Spinoza, and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Take René Descartes, the French philosopher, often called the father of modern rationalism. He's known for his famous statement, cogito ergo sum, or I think, therefore I am. For Descartes, this wasn't just a catchy phrase. It was proof that our ability to think is the foundation of all knowledge. Then there's Baruch Spinoza, a Dutch thinker who believed that everything in the universe could be understood through reason. To him, our minds have the power to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos itself. And finally, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, who believed in a concept called innate ideas. He argued that complex truths like math and logic exist within us, like seeds that grow with reason. These thinkers weren't just throwing out wild theories. They believed that reason alone could unlock every door, solve every mystery, and reveal truths that sensory experience couldn't begin to understand. But rationalism isn't without competition. Enter empiricism, the idea that knowledge comes from experience and the senses. Empiricists argue, how can you know fire is hot until you've felt the burn? Rationalists respond, but I can understand heat conceptually without having to touch it. This clash between thinking and experiencing has driven philosophy for centuries. Why does any of this matter today? Think about how we rely on intuition and logic for decisions, from science to ethics. In a way, rationalism laid the groundwork for modern fields like mathematics and computer science, where complex ideas are tackled primarily with reason. Artificial intelligence, too, is deeply influenced by rationalist ideas. Machines don't rely on experiences like we do. They process raw data and draw conclusions through patterns and logic. In some ways, they're the ultimate rationalists. Imagine being able to think through the mysteries of existence without leaving your room. Rationalists believe the answers are already there, embedded within our minds, waiting to be discovered. So, next time you find yourself pondering big questions, remember that, according to rationalists, the journey to understanding doesn't start with what you see. It starts with what you think. Dive deep, and you just might find answers within you that you never knew were there. Stay curious, keep questioning, and if you enjoyed this journey into rationalism, don't forget to subscribe and join us as we explore even more of philosophy's biggest questions.